Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we are studying chapter number 5 expansion formulae from standard 8 mathematics. In this video we will learn expansion of a plus b bracket cube and some numericals depend on this expansion. So let's study first expansion of a plus b bracket cube. All we know that cube of any number or any variable is nothing but multiplication of that number or variable by 3 times. So we can apply same method for cube of this bracket. Now multiplication of these two bracket is nothing but square of it. Now we know the expansion of a plus b bracket square. We already study this expansion in our previous standard. So let us apply it. Now here multiplication of binomial is with trinomial. So let's first multiply first term of binomial with this trinomial and then second term with again this trinomial. So we will get this term. Now let us do first multiplication, that is a with a square, we will get a cube. Then next step is again multiply this a with second term, we will get 2a square b, and then with third term its multiplication is a into b square. Now let's do the next multiplication, that is b into this bracket. So b into a square becomes a square b, b into 2ab becomes 2ab square, and b into b square is equal to b cube. Now this a cube will remain as it is. In second term you can see a square b. So a square b is also at fourth place. Add their coefficients. Their coefficients are 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 a square b. Now ab square are at again two places. Again after addition we will get plus 3 a into b square, and the last term b cube will remain as it is. We cannot add further addition because their index values are not same. Therefore this is the final answer, and this is the expansion of a plus b bracket cube. Let's solve some numericals depend on this expansion. Suppose x plus 4 raised to cube. This is our first example. If we compare it with a plus b bracket cube, then we will get here value of a and b. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 4. Now all we know that the expansion of a plus b bracket cube. So substitute all the values in this expansion. After substitution we will get this step. Now x cube will remain as it is. Now let's do multiplication in this second term. So 3 into 4 becomes 12 into x square. Let's move to the third step. Here let's solve first square of 4, which is equal to 16, and then cube of 4 is equal to 64. Now let's do this multiplication. 16 3s are 48. Therefore, our answer is this one. Again, their index values of variables are not same. Therefore, we cannot further add it. Therefore, our final answer is this one. Let's solve one more example depend on this expansion. 2m plus 3n bracket cube. Again, this expansion is in the form of a plus b bracket cube. So again, on comparing with a plus b bracket cube, we will get value of a and b. We know expansion of a plus b bracket cube. Substitute all values in this expansion, we will get this step. Now let's do cube of 2m. Cube of 2 is 8 and cube of m is m cube. Therefore, we will get 8m cube. Now in second bracket, first do the square of 2m. So square of 2 is 4 and square of m is m square. In third bracket, let's do the square of 3n. So after solving, we will get answer 9n square. Now the last term becomes 27n cube. Now let's do multiplication in second term. First term will remain as it is. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Therefore, our answer is 36m square n. Now in third bracket, 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 9s are 54. So therefore, our answer is 54m n square. And the last term will remain as it is, that is 27n cube. So this is our final answer. Let's solve one more example. P plus 1 upon p bracket cube. Again, on comparing with this expansion, we will get here a is equal to p and b is equal to 1 upon p. We know that a plus b cube is equal to this expansion. Substitute all values a and b in this expansion. After substitution, we will get this step. Now this p cube will remain as it is. In second term, p square into 1 upon p, 1p will get eliminate and only 1p will remain. Therefore, our answer is 3p. Now in third term, first square this bracket. So its square is 1 upon p square and cube of this last bracket is equal to 1 upon p cube. Now let's solve this third term. So again here 1p will get cancel and we will get answer 1 upon p. So therefore, after multiplication, that is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Here we get its answer 3 upon p. This expansion we can use to find out cube of any number. Let us solve some example to find out cube of 102. We can write this 102 in the form of 100 plus 2. So this bracket looks like a plus b. Therefore, on comparing with this expansion, here we get value of a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 2. Now use here expansion. Substitute all values in this expansion. after substitution, here we get this step. Now let's solve this cube of 100. Cube of 100 is equal to 10 lakhs. Now in second bracket, let's do square of 100. Square of 100 is equal to 10,000. Now in third bracket, square of 2 is equal to 4. And at fourth term, cube of 2 is equal to 8. Let's solve next step. This 10 lakhs will remain as it is. In second term, let's do this multiplication. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 6 into 10,000 is equal to 60,000. In this third term, 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and 12 into 100 is equal to 1,200 plus this 8. So after addition, here we get 10 lakhs 61,208. So this is the final answer of cube of 102. So by using this expansion, we can find out cube of any number. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Till keep studying. Bye bye.